Hey everyone, Tim at Nightjar Guitars here, and I hope you're having a great day. I'm out in the workshop today, and I wanted to show you a really cool load of wood that I got dropped off recently from a really great company based in Chicago, Illinois. The company is Modern Industry, and I highly suggest you follow them on Insta and check them out online. And the owner and head craftsman there, Jacob, was just in town here in the Twin Cities and dropped off a bunch of really cool pieces for future guitar builds. So I'm going to take you around, show you each piece, because I'm really excited about this. All right, first piece, and this is maybe my favorite. This is Hackberry from 1893, and Frederick Olmsted planted this tree for the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. So this is an Olmsted tree from the site of where the World's Fair was in the late 1800s. Really cool piece of Hackberry. It's got some really nice figuring, and this is actually spoken for already. Just wanted to show it to you because it's really cool. It's gonna go for a T-style build for a good friend of mine who lives in Kansas City, where I grew up. So that's a really cool piece, and I'm really psyched to work with it. All right, next up, we got some quilted maple. We've got a couple pieces of maple crotch quilted from the North Shore of Chicago, and these have been salvaged by the good people at Horrigan. They are a Chicago-based company that salvages and reclaims and reuses wood from the Chicago and the southern Wisconsin area. So this is maple. It's about 23 board feet, and that's really going to come in handy for some really cool tops to some semi-hollows and some other guitar builds. And the final pieces are really cool. This is Douglas fir. There might be some white pine in there as well. From 1883, from Chicago's Printers Row district. What Printers Row was is back in the late 1800s and early 1900s. That's where they printed a lot of the books of the era. And this is from the Donahue building. And the Donahue manufacturing plant was in this warehouse. And when they turned it into apartments, they removed a lot of the wood. And this has been salvaged, and it's got some really nice grain. And it's going to be really fun to work with. And so this is from 711 Dearborn Street in Chicago from Printers Row. Very cool.